So this is Latvian National Hunting Trophy exhibition. Before we made such exhibitions every 5 years. Now we switched to the 3-year period. But now we are discussing that maybe next time we will do the same like you do in Estonia every 2nd year, because this time 3 years we have approximately 1,000 trophies here and 400 red deer trophies. As you can see, the red deer trophies, they need a big space, so you need a very big room, big hall where to put all those antlers, and we see that every year we have more and more red deer trophies, so maybe after 3 years even this hall will be not big enough. The biggest amount we have red deer trophies, total 400 trophies. From those 400 trophies we have 79 gold medal red deer trophies. All those 400 red deer are shot in last 3 hunting seasons, starting from year 2015. This is, I would say, incredible result, very good result, because I have statistics from last century 60s, and from 60s until 2010 we shot average 5 gold medal red deers in season. So here we have 80 gold medals in 3 seasons. This is really good result, and this is a big job what we have done with this program of selective hunting. We are teaching hunters, hunting clubs. They are coming together and discuss that not only one hunting club but neighbor hunting club have the same selective program, and they will shoot adult stags or those who are not so selective. So now it's almost 10 years when we start this program, and I'm really proud about result for red deer. This result is, I would say, beautiful. We have also more than 200 roe deers. The quality is quite good, but I would say this is not so much result of selective hunting or of game management. This is more nature. We had 3 or 4 very mild winters with no big snow, with no big cold, and after such soft winters we have good trophies for roe deer, and quantities, numbers are growing, and we also have quite many good quality trophies. With moose, the situation is quite bad, and I would say that with all game species, the moose is in the worst position because we have shot too many bulls for a long time. Our hunters want to save females, want to have a big increase, but we shoot too many bulls, and so we have just few trophies. There is no gold medal trophies in this exhibition. The best trophy is silver medal, good silver, but still only silver. Wild boar tusks, I think the same situation as in Estonia. We have only 80 wild boar tusks because of African swine fever. African swine fever is killing wild boars much more than hunters did, and we still have some trophies, but I think in next exhibitions it will be very exclusive trophies. Everybody will have good tusks. And then we have large carnivores, wolves and lynx. We still hunt them, and hunt them quite many. So you can see some nice skulls for lynx and wolves, also some skins, and beaver skulls, fox, badger skulls, but not so many, but altogether about 1,000 trophies.
Okay.
And for red deer, what I can say special, we have the strongest trophy in this exhibition. It is top 3 trophy in the Latvia for all the times. So it is changes also in top 3, which is very good result. In last exhibition 2015 we had new 2nd place, now we have new 3rd place. So we really hope that it will not take so long time when we will have a new Latvian record, which is now for 50 years. It's since 1968, so it's long time. It's time to change it.